Hey everyone, I really wanted to just do a little chatty video just to say where Science with Hazel's at, even though I'm Science with Hazel, so that sounds weird, but yeah, or SwH Learning, if that's how you know us. Just to tell you what we're going to be bringing to you this year and the direction in which it's going in terms of what I want to provide for you guys. So I've been working really hard on the CIE IGCSE new specification, so that means bringing out an updated perfect answer revision guide. It's fully illustrated. We are really, really proud of what we've produced here, and I really hope you guys like it, seriously. In terms of workshops, they were super popular. We started them in the earlier part of this year, so the last academic year, and really it was a way of me bringing people to you guys, showing their skills. These are people that I really believe in. I hope you know that I don't really release any videos or any of the guides or any of the workshops or the revision courses unless I truly believe in them. I vetted the people, I know how they're going to go about it, and to that end it does mean that the workshops we've got coming are incredibly exciting. We already did a personal statement workshop in September, and alongside that we've written a guide which is called Perfect Your Personal Statement. Now it's one of our tutors, Dr. Natalie Lawrence, who has written that. She is hugely important for us because she does an awful lot of the Oxbridge admissions. That means doing practice interviews, it means helping guide your personal statement writing, and so she was the perfect person to write this guide. And just go and have a look at the website, have a look at the preview, see what you think. We've got some great examples of students we've helped get into Oxbridge included, so you can see the sorts of writings they've been doing. So yeah, super proud of that, super pleased that we've been able to bring that to you. In terms of upcoming workshops, we have a So You Want to Get Into Medicine workshop coming up in a couple of weeks with our in-house medicine specialist, Dr. Naomi Sakai, and she's going to be taking you through, you know, if you're thinking about medicine, what to expect, the application procedure. The workshops, remember, they're always online, on Zoom. They last an hour, and if you're interested in signing up, I can guide you to the website, the SwH Learning website. So yeah, like, it's really exciting. We're going to be looking at running revision courses for A-levels. We're making all-in-one A-level videos. Obviously they'll take ages, but alongside that will come the guide. So lots and lots on my plate. But I don't know, I hope you're excited by the direction we're going in. It was always my purpose to kind of create resources. Like, obviously CGP is great, there's all these other incredible people doing great things, but this is stuff that I personally really believe in. We've got incredible people working with us. So yeah, just really excited by the new direction. Please be nice. Lyra's also very excited.